Hey beauties, welcome back to another video. So I'm going to show you guys how to create that perfect soft glam makeup look when you're looking for something very glamorous, very full coverage, but you still want to keep it very neutral and natural. So without further ado, go ahead and grab your makeup and let's get into the video. Alright, so first I like to start off with my skin just because I like to perfect complexion first and then move on to the eyes. But before applying any makeup, I do like to make sure that I'm cleansing my skin to help just remove all the impurities, all the dirt, sebum, bacteria. There's so much stuff that is clogged within your pores that you want to extract out. So this is a really good creamy cleanser that is great for all skin types. But along with this cleanser, I like to use this Foreo Luna 4 Plus device. This device is honestly so good. Like, it really helps to clean your skin. Like, it helps to get those dirt, all those impurities from your skin, and it helps the skincare products penetrate through your skin to help clean it and provide nutrients just so your skin can look really nice before you apply any makeup. So the device has a combination of LED light and a targeted massager that helps to refine your complexion so that your skin appears brighter and firmer. So the LED light gently heats the skin to temporarily dilate the pores, allowing the Luna 4 device to reach the dirt and the oils that are trapped within your skin. So one thing I really love about this device is that you can connect it to your phone via Bluetooth, and they have so many different treatments that cater to exactly what you're looking for. So you can have like a full facial toning, and they show you exactly how to use it and how to apply it on your skin. And you can choose gentle, regular, or deep cleanse modes using the buttons on the device just for different areas on your skin. Then you just want to glide the silicone in circular motion all over your face to really deeply cleanse your skin. And then once you've fully cleansed your skin, you can press that universal button to turn it off and then just rinse your face. I found that it's also a perfect device to use before applying makeup because it really helps to deeply penetrate into your skin to clean it. And you can also use the device to apply your skincare products so that your skin absorbs all those nutrients from your skincare. So the cleanser and the device are both great for all skin types. It's very gentle on the skin. So even if you have sensitive skin, it's not abrasive, it's not too harsh on your skin. I would say even if you have sensitive skin, this device would work for you. So all the links to all these products will be linked in the description box down below. And I do want to give a huge thank you to Foreo for partnering with me in today's video. So after cleansing my skin, I like to go in with a serum and a moisturizer to help lock in hydration. And then I like to use a hydrating primer. And for hydrating primer, I love this NYX Hydrating Jelly Primer. I love this primer because it has a very gel-like consistency, but once you apply it on your face, it's honestly really hydrating. So this is a really good primer to really help balance the dryness of your skin. Even if you have oily skin, sometimes your skin can be very dehydrated. This is gonna help boost that hydration on your skin. So as you can see, it hydrates my skin, but it doesn't leave it looking greasy or oily. It just looks hydrated and healthy. And one thing I've been loving is spraying my face right before applying foundation. So I'm gonna use this Hard Candy Long Wear Setting Spray. This has honestly changed just how the makeup applies on my skin. And it literally helps to boost hydration on your skin. It just makes all the makeup settle on your skin just perfectly and flawlessly. And then for foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer in the shade 360 Mocha. This tinted moisturizer has a really natural look. It's also a buildable coverage tinted moisturizer, so you can build it up to a medium coverage if you need more. So I like to just focus the foundation at the perimeter of my face and just use a damp beauty sponge to blend it out. Focusing the majority of the coverage at the perimeter just because it gives more of a skin-like finish. And as you can see, this tinted moisturizer has like this really nice natural finish that looks really skin-like, and it's also like more of like a medium coverage. It's not like too light. So I feel like even if you have discoloration on your skin, this is also a great product to help cover up discoloration at the same time give you like a skin-like finish. Then for concealer, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Under Eye Concealer. This is in the shade 45, and I love using a full coverage concealer with a tinted moisturizer because it just helps to balance the coverage on your skin to make sure your skin is still breathable, it still feels comfortable without feeling very cakey on your skin. Then I like to blend it out with a beauty sponge. I feel like a beauty sponge blends concealer much better than a brush does. I feel like a brush leaves streaks, and a beauty sponge also helps to absorb the excess product to make sure that it's not just sitting at the surface of your skin. So as you can see, this concealer is a full coverage concealer, so it's perfect for discoloration. It's perfect if you have darkness under your eyes and you need to cover up a lot, or if you're just somebody who loves full coverage concealers. Then I like to take whatever's left just to help structure my contour. This is a great way for you to do contour if you're not comfortable doing contour, or you feel like sometimes contour looks too harsh. You can just do reverse contour by placing the concealer right underneath your cheekbones. And then for contour, I'm gonna use the NYX Wonder Stick. So this is a dual-ended face shaping stick. So it comes with a contour and it comes with a highlighter. So with this type of product, I found that applying it directly on your skin is not the best way to apply it. I do like to apply it on an applicator such as like a brush. So this is the Real Techniques contour brush, and I like to just take the product and place it on the brush and just use that to blend it on the skin. I feel like this gives more of a softer look. It doesn't give your contour a harsh structure. So this is perfect if you're going for a soft glam makeup look, so something that's very soft and not too harsh. And I like to just blend it upwards. So I like to just focus this on my cheekbones and then place a little bit on my forehead as well, just to create that shadow, and then placing a little bit on my jawline. And this is gonna help structure your jawline. All right, so next I'm gonna apply a cream blush, and I really like this Milani Cheek Kiss liquid blush. So what I like to do is I like to take the blush and place it at the back of my hand and spread it around first before applying it. This is going to help you diffuse the blush better. So I like to just take a beauty sponge and just press that all over the sponge and just apply the blush right where you want to place it. This is going to help you build up the blush instead of going in with too much. And I like to use a liquid blush as a base for my powdered blush. So if you struggle a lot with blush not showing up on your skin for a long period of time, try using a liquid or a cream blush first and then apply your powdered blush on top of it. So the cream or liquid blush will act as a base for your powdered blush. So before applying any type of powder, I like to get rid of the harsh lines. So between the blush and the concealer, this is going to help you blend out all your cream products so that when you set it, it looks blended. And I also like to blend my nose contour as well, just to make sure no harsh lines are showing. Now we're gonna go ahead and set the cream product. I'm gonna go in with the Lip Bar finishing powder, and this is in the shade Golden Girl. So what I like to do is just use a setting powder brush and literally just press that right underneath your eyes to set the concealer. And you always want to dust off the excess. This is going to prevent that patchy look, and it's just going to help diffuse that powder perfectly. So you want to apply this powder in all the areas that you applied your concealer, and this is a very natural finishing powder, so it's literally almost veiled. You can't really see the pigment, so it appears really soft on your skin. Then next I'm going to go ahead and set the foundation. So for foundation, I like to use a pressed powder, so I'm going to go in with this NYX pressed powder. This is literally my favorite pressed powder. It's just very natural. It doesn't feel very cakey on the skin, and it gives your skin like this really nice smooth finish. So I like to just use a foundation brush. So this is a rounded kabuki brush, and I like to just press that on all the areas that you can see those oils peeking through. This is going to help set those oils just to make your skin look skin-like. And I'm going to place some on my forehead as well, because we're going for a soft glam makeup look. You don't want to look too shiny. I feel like a soft glam makeup look looks really nice if your face is like completely matte, but it just looks like really natural and skin-like. Then the last powder I'm going to go in with is a blotting powder, and I'm going to use this one by Terry. This is the Hyaluronic Hydro Powder. So with this blotting powder, I like to focus it around my nose area. This is literally the area of my face that produces the most oils. So wherever that you see your face is producing the most oils, you want to place this blotting powder on there. A blotting powder is usually a clear or white powder that helps to prevent your skin from pushing out those oils on your skin. And it's also a great way to help touch up your makeup. I'm also going to place some around my mouth area because we get a little bit of oils around there. Okay, so now it's time to do the eyes. So for eyes, I like to start by priming my eyes with a concealer. I only use a concealer when I'm using very natural and neutral eyeshadow colors. Then I like to go in with the beauty blender and just blend that out. I like to spread this all around my eyelids to make sure that all that discoloration on my eyelids is canceled out. Then you just want to use a setting powder and set that concealer. I like to use one that is very natural, but one that is lighter than my skin color, just so that those shadows really show on my skin really well. So for today's eyeshadow look, I'm going to use the LA Girl Keep It Playful eyeshadow palette. I love these eyeshadow palettes. They're such good quality palettes, and they're very affordable, and they have a lot of nice and neutral eyeshadow colors. So the first shade I'm picking up is this warm tone brown shade, and with this shade I like to just start start by placing it on the crease area. You always want to use some type of warm color on your crease area, or you can use like a cool tone color. This is called like a transition color. It's usually used to transition eyeshadow shades together. So I like to place this on my crease area and blend it all over just to warm up that whole eye area. The next eyeshadow that I'm picking up is this dark brown shade, and using a smaller brush, this is the Morphe M507 brush, I like to focus this right in the crease area. This is gonna help deepen that eyeshadow color. It's gonna give it a little bit more depth. You just want to apply a small amount and build up that pigment. And I also like to bring this shadow right in the inner part of my crease. Then you want to go back in with that first eyeshadow color, and you want to use that to blend out that second shade. This is gonna get rid of all those harsh lines, and it's gonna give a nice smooth transition between the two shades. Then picking up that brown shade, I'm gonna place that right underneath my eyes, but I'm only placing it on the outer corner of my eyes. This is gonna help smoke out that eyeshadow a little bit, and you want to place a small amount. The next, I'm gonna take the powder that I used to set under my eyes, then I'm gonna place that on my eyelid. This is gonna create a very natural brown shade that goes really well with your complexion. So I'm focusing the shade right on my eyelid area. Then for the inner corner, I'm gonna pick up this shade right here, and with that shade, I'm gonna place it right on my tear duct. And you definitely want to pick up a very small amount. You don't want to place too much. It's really supposed to give that natural highlight on the inner corner of your eye. Alright, so next I'm gonna go in with a brown eyeliner. So I'm using this ColourPop liquid liner. This is in the shade Grande. So this is more of a brown eyeliner, and I like to basically use that to line the inner part of my eyes. This is going to help define that inner portion of your eye a little bit more. The next, I'm gonna go in with mascara, and I'm gonna use this Essence Lash Princess. This is my favorite mascara. It just really helps to lift your natural lashes. So for lashes, I'm gonna use the Kiss So Wispy lashes. These are just some really nice natural looking lashes that go perfectly for a soft glam natural makeup look. So for the eyebrows, I'm going for a very natural eyebrow look. So I like to use an eyebrow pen just to draw out natural strokes for my eyebrows. So next, I'm gonna apply powdered blush. Even though I already went in with liquid blush, I like to apply powdered blush on top of it just to get the pigmentation. So I'm gonna use this BH Cosmetics 4-color blush palette, and I like to focus this right at the highest points of my cheekbones and just use a dense brush to apply it. This is gonna bring out that pigmentation of the blush. Alright, so next I'm gonna line my lips, and I'm gonna use this NYX lip liner. This is in the shade Espresso. Then using the lip liner, I like to fill in the outer part of my lip. Then next for lips, I'm gonna use this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. So this is definitely a go-to for me with the soft glam makeup look. This is in the shade Abu Dhabi. This is definitely a go-to makeup look for me. It's super easy to create. It's something that you can wear every single time when you want to do like a full glam makeup look, but you want to keep it very neutral and natural. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I do want to give a huge thank you to Foreo for partnering with me in today's video. All the links to the products will be linked in the description box down below. But other than that, I will see you guys in my next video.
KLJ, welcome to a channel where it's poppin'.